Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon favorites. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I think I did one last summer, and I think I kind of like the non-consistency of making these videos because I kind of tend to do them every 6 months or so, and that's great because it's a different season now. I have different favorites than what I liked back in the summer. So let's just get right into the video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you are interested in any of the items in this video, I do have an Amazon storefront that you guys can check out. Literally all you have to do is click on the photos. I think that's way easier than me just linking each individual item down below. You can actually shop a storefront and you can see what the items look like and all of that. So I'll have that linked in the description box below if you guys are interested. Okay, so the first item is something that I love for the winter time, not just for hiking. I find this so handy at all times. If I'm walking out in the cold, if it's minus 30, minus 20, I just need something for my hands. This has been amazing, and I'm actually considering buying a second one because I have one and it works great. It works really great, but if I had two, I'd have one in each hand, you know? I love the fact that it comes in this carrying case too. It's so convenient. It fits in my hiking pack fine, and I don't lose it in my hiking backpack, which, you know, is a big deal for me. So this is the Okapa hand warmer, and I got it in the color Tiffany blue. So this is what it looks like right here. I don't know if this has been charged at all because, oh, it has 1 bar left. So you can tell if it's been charged or whatever because it has this light right here. So if you do use it, you can tell, you know, if it's gonna die soon or whatever. So I do need to charge this up. It's a good thing I pulled this out. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very, very cute. And yeah, this is basically a hand warmer. All you have to do is push the button up here, hold it down, and it gives you kind of like the status of your battery. I used to use those ones from Dollarama. They last about 6 to 8 hours, and then you literally throw them out. Like, you can't reuse them or anything like that. So I like having something that's environmentally friendly, and this is just amazing. So love this product, cannot rave enough about it. If you are a type of person that gets cold or you do a lot of hiking and you're tired of wasting products, aka those like chemical hand warmers, check this out on Amazon. Oh my gosh, I accidentally turned it on and it's like getting warm. So my next favorite, I kept it in its box because I wanted to show you guys how it came in the mail and everything like that, and that's kind of like how I store this, even though I realize I don't need the box. But yes, I have used this for Teams meetings and that sort of thing, but I actually recently applied for a job. I'm literally hoping for the best with that. Like, I'm hoping that I do get it, and I will be using this a whole lot. I might just keep this at home as like a, if I end up working from home at some point. I'm not gonna be working from home all the time, but if I do end up working from home at some point, I do have something like this because we do team stuff all day long in that job. What this is basically these headphones right here, which is rechargeable, which is so nice because the ones I have at work are the plug-in kind, and they get, you know, they get tangled and stuff like that. I also like having my own. These are like brand new. These are mine. The ones at work are shared between whoever works back there. Also, the best part, I don't know why I get so excited about this, is it has a carrying case. So it has a hard case. You can put this in your backpack, you can put this in your work bag, you can put this in your briefcase if that's what you carry to work, and it's not gonna get squished or anything like that because it's a hard case, which is nice. And they fit perfectly inside like this. So they are right here, and then there is a little spot back here for whatever you want, which is nice. I like having extra storage. You can even put like these in here, I guess, if you really wanted to. And it also comes with a key ring, so you can attach this case to your backpack or whatever. But But yeah, these look like this, and it's basically a headset for work, for Teams meetings and that sort of thing. This is your mic over here, and these are so nice and lightweight as well. That's what I really like about them as well. They are super lightweight and they are foldable, just very portable and stuff like that. You can just throw them back in their case. I just love this product. So that is my second Amazon favorite, definitely very like work related. So if you're looking for like more work type gear and stuff like that, definitely check this one out. Okay, so next up are these socks. I absolutely love these socks. When I talk to my friends about, like, they sometimes ask me, what is your most favorite thing that you've ever been sent from a company, because they know I do YouTube and everything like that, and they're like, so what's your favorite thing that you've ever been sent? And you know, in the back of my head, I like to like pick one of those designer bags from back in the day when I used to work with sellers on designer bags. I was like I was thinking about that, like those are the more expensive items that I've been sent, but these are legit my favorite things that I've ever been sent. I've used them so much every winter for the past 2 winters on hikes, and they are just so amazing. These are the Impress heated socks, and I absolutely just adore these. I think they are amazing. So these are my favorite things that I've ever been sent, and people are like, what, socks? Yes, socks. You guys know I have cold feet, I have cold hands, literally hate it. So whenever I go out in the winter time, I need something that's going to keep my feet warm. I like to put it on its max setting because I just don't like having cold feet. So basically what these are, they are heated socks. They are one size fits all. So literally these are huge. These are, you know, these can fit a man, these can fit a woman, whatever the case may be, these can fit anyone, even if you have huge feet, if you have tiny feet. Yes, these are gonna fit you, and they, you know, they go up pretty high, which is really nice because then they keep my legs warm a little bit. They are really thick material. Even if you don't turn the heated part on, they are still really warm on their own, which I love. They fit nice in my hiking boots. They don't ride down, which is a problem that I've been having lately with my hiking boots, is almost all the socks that I own ride down, and it just gives me blisters, and I had a really bad blister back in December where I couldn't hike for a while. So I'm trying to figure that out, but these don't do that, and they are amazing. So ignore the fact that there's probably dog hair on here. I cannot put these in the dryer. You know, they are electric socks. You literally can't put them in the dryer. You have to wash these in like a wash bag, and I kind of fold them so the wire and everything are kind of like folded inward. So I kind of wash them like this, like rolled up a little bit. But yeah, I have no issue with that. I've washed them quite a few times now. I don't wash them every time I use them. I probably wash them after using them on like 3 hikes or something like that, or it depends on how long the hike is. If it's a super long, maybe like a 14 to 20k hike, once it gets to that point, my feet get sweaty and everything, so I should be washing them. So yeah, about 3 hikes or so, I put these in the wash, and I've had them for 2 seasons now, and they've been great. They still work great. The little battery packs that you throw in here, they charge up really fast, and I've had no issues with them or anything like that, and they keep my feet super toasty and warm. So yeah, love these. They are definitely my favorite thing that I've ever been sent. Okay, next thing. Okay, so I was actually surprised that I got this, but I got this in the mail the other day, and this is a smartwatch. This is an Alexa smartwatch right here, and I reviewed an Amazon Alexa smartwatch back in the summertime. I don't know if this is their new version of that watch, but I got sent this the other day, and I'm very, very excited to try it. The reason why this is in here is because I've already tried an Amazon Alexa smartwatch back in the summer, and I really like the features of it. The app was really easy to install, very easy to use. This uses the exact same app. So I'm actually gonna give this to Andy and we're gonna see what he thinks about it. We're gonna go through the setup and everything in a vlog or something like that. But basically I think that this is just the new version. It has a 1.8-inch color display, heart rate monitor, oxygen monitoring, Bluetooth calls, which is nice, cloud watch face. This is waterproof. It has 100 sport modes and a long battery life, and I can attest to that. These actually last really long. I was gonna film a short of me unboxing this. I guess I still can film a short. I just have to throw it back in the box, but this is what this one looks like. It is a neutral kind of beigey color, and this is the little guide to show you guys how to set up and everything. Basically, you just scan this QR code. It takes you to the Apple store, or if you use Android, it takes you to the Android store, and it gets you the Very Fit app. There is a charger included in here, and overall, I really do like these smartwatches that Amazon has. They are a really good price for what they are, and can you like just look at this and tell me it doesn't look like an Apple Watch, because it 100% does look like an Apple Watch. I love that these are really just good quality, definitely very attainable in terms of price range. They are not a $900 watch, Garmin, okay? They are not my $900 Garmin watch. They are not a, I don't know how much Apple watches retail for because I've never wanted one before, but they're probably around the 500 to 800 range, I'm assuming. They're not like that at all, and they calculate your steps, okay? So my friend has an Apple Watch, and literally she never knows how many steps she's done because you have to do something weird with the programs and everything like that to see how many steps you've done. Well, these tell you, okay? And they are a really good price. So if you're considering maybe getting an Apple Watch and you just want to see if you're gonna actually use it or something like that, definitely try something like this. Also, it's compatible with Alexa, so if you have Alexa in your home, this works with it as well. So the next thing I don't actually have to physically show you because I wore it to work the other day, but I love my Pop Violet scrubs. They are so comfortable. They are really thick, really good quality. Definitely reminds me of Figs, but almost even better than Figs. So don't knock it till you try it. If you haven't bought scrubs from Amazon yet, definitely check out Pop Violet. Next up, okay, so this I have been using kind of like off and on, but not consistently. But when I do use them, they are absolutely amazing. These aren't just exclusive to Amazon, by the way. You can find these at Walmart. You can find these at Shoppers. They are not some sort of sketchy brand that you're not gonna find anywhere else, but this is by Ollie and it's called Beat the Bloat. So as you guys know, I'm on a health journey. I have been for quite some time. You guys know I do a lot of hiking and stuff like that based on my vlogs. You can see that, but I'm not at my body goals just yet. And I find that a lot of the problem for me is bloating. I've always thought I've kind of had a slight gluten allergy, but not to the point where I have to completely stop eating bread altogether. I just know that it doesn't make me feel the best, and I do feel bloated the next day. Also, with some protein powders, they can make me feel really just not great, and I get bloated the next day. I also get bloated when I travel for some reason. I don't know why, but it always happens on road trips and, you know, hiking / camping trips. Like, it happens to me quite often. So I've decided to check this out, and I've noticed that when I do take it, it actually makes a world of difference. I don't have stomach pains throughout the day. I don't feel gassy or bloated, and yeah, this works great. It's all natural, so you don't have to worry about it being like a diet pill or anything like that. That's not what this is. It has a lot of really just good for you ingredients in here. It has dandelion, ginger, fennel to like really soothe your stomach, and it has a lot of different enzymes and stuff like that. I know people take different types of yogurt to get those enzymes, but this has it all. And yes, I only notice that it works when I'm actually taking it. Like when I take it in the morning, I notice that it works throughout the day. If I take it for 3 days and then forget on the 4th day, I will it will obviously not work like that. You have to take it consistently, but I do love this stuff. Next up is this Nick Wax fabric and leather proofing waterproofing spray. I don't know what you call it, but it's like waterproofing spray for your boots, and this is the best one that I found. It doesn't smell weird. It actually works really well. Main factor in me buying this is it doesn't smell weird, because I've definitely had some where they legit smell like spray paint, and I can't do that. It's gross, and I don't like using stuff that's overly chemically. So this stuff works really well if you wet your shoes in the sink, spray them down, and kind of just let them dry. Moving right along, I have 2 more Amazon favorites for you guys. The next one is my phone case, which looks like crap right now. I know I need to get another one, because the downfall of this phone case is it starts looking like this after a few months. Not after a few months. I've had this for probably over 6 months now. I want to say like maybe 8 months, and whenever this like plasticky material gets exposed to the sun, it changes color. It gets darker, which is really annoying for me, because where do I take this? I take this hiking, I take this outside all the time. It's always in the sun, so it obviously stained faster than most people's phones or whatever, but this is the best fitting phone case for my phone. And it works with like certain stuff like this. Like, as you guys can see, I have this like sparkly cover on my camera. This camera protector, for some reason, doesn't fit with the other phone cases that I own. I've literally tried all of my phone cases that I've gotten on AliExpress and on other websites. This is the only phone case that it actually fits well with, and it's great. Okay, it's a really, really good quality phone case. Yeah, the only thing is that it just looks ugly right now, but I will probably end up buying another one, because this is the only phone case that works for me. Also, you can do wireless charging with it. It doesn't affect wireless charging or anything like that. And yeah, that's available on Amazon. So next thing is this battery pack. So this battery pack has saved me on multiple occasions, okay? Because when you are doing long hikes, when you are, you know, in the forest for an extended period of time, say you're doing time lapses and vlogs like me, because one of my favorite things to do or like to film in certain scenes is time lapses. I really love doing time lapses. I love doing them summer, winter, fall, whatever month it is. If I'm hiking and I have a little bit of time at the summit, I will film a time lapse. And time lapses kill your battery on your phone. It absolutely kills your battery every single time, especially when it's cold outside. So I carry this heavy duty, honestly it's heavy duty because it's actually like heavy, battery pack with me. It also has a flashlight, which is cool, but it can charge up to 4 devices at the same time. And yeah, I've had this since back in the summer. I've used it only like a handful of times, but it's worked super well for me. I have also dropped this, which is super annoying, but it is like shockproof or something like that, which is nice. Even solar charging battery pack to take with me hiking, something that I would trust, and I love this. So that's all I can say about that, is I love it. And then last but not least, the 10th item in this video is going to be these Deets hiking shoes. I keep them stored in their case right here because, you know, I can't wear these right now. It's obviously winter here, but these are Italian made and they're suede. And they're amazing. They don't have annoying laces or anything like that. These are more trail shoes versus like full-on hikers. But look at the bottoms. They are amazing. They literally look like a hand like grabbing the bottom of the shoe. How cool is that? I've talked about these before. I've done a review on these before. I was actually sent these by Deets, so you can go on their website and get them, but you can also find these on Amazon as well. And they are just super comfy, super good quality for the price, and I really love these. So that is all for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!
I let you deeper than I let